Imagine stepping into a futuristic theme park where the entrance itself adapts to the weather and crowd, greeting you with a smile through biometric scanning. No more tickets, just a wave of your hand, and you're in. Inside, glide along magnetic levitation pathways, or summon personal mobility pods with a tap on your app. Experience rides that defy imagination, dynamic coasters that reconfigure tracks in real time, offering a unique thrill every time. Dive into holographic environments where you can touch and interact with ancient civilizations or alien worlds. Feel the rush of neural interface experiences that connect directly to your senses, allowing you to soar through space or transform into fantastical creatures. Beyond the rides, explore future learning labs where you can experiment with quantum computing or stroll through bioengineering gardens filled with plants that change color based on your presence. Savor meals crafted by molecular gastronomy stations, tailored to your unique biometrics, or enjoy flavors released in edible mist. And sustainability? The park generates more clean energy than it consumes, harvesting kinetic energy from your footsteps and using transparent solar surfaces. This isn't just a dream, it's a glimpse into a thrilling future that's closer than we think.